In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Facebook on that and other devices. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Facebook and hit on menu icon at the bottom right. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy, and next hit Settings. Now there, tap on Password and Security. And there is information about where you are logged in. Hit on See All, and now on that list you get information about all the devices that you are logged in using your Facebook account. You can hit on three dots icon and log out from the specific device, or you can scroll down to the very bottom and hit log out of all sessions to log out that Facebook account from all the devices. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.